Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best Android 14 TV box. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Zilbz X88 Pro Android 14 TV box, a compact yet powerful device designed to upgrade your home entertainment with smarter features and stunning visuals. Let's get started. Product features: Ultra high-speed 4K HD 2.1. The Zilbz X88 Pro supports ultra high-speed 4K HD 2.1, delivering ultra-smooth playback, rich contrast, and natural color tones. Movies, shows, and videos look cinematic and incredibly lifelike on compatible displays. AI Super Resolution Technology. Thanks to AI-powered super resolution, this TV box intelligently enhances every frame. Lower resolution content is sharpened, edges look clearer, and details pop, making both streaming and gaming more immersive. Latest Android 14 operating system. Running on Android 14, the X88 Pro offers improved stability, faster performance, and a smoother interface. App loading feels snappy, multitasking is seamless, and you get access to the latest Android features. Built-in Google Assistant voice control. With Google Assistant built in, controlling your TV is as easy as speaking. Search for movies, open apps, adjust settings, or get recommendations hands-free for a smarter and more convenient experience. Advanced 6nm processor technology. Built using a modern 6nm process, this TV box delivers powerful performance while consuming less power. It stays cool, runs efficiently, and handles long viewing sessions without slowing down. Compact and portable design. Despite its strong performance, the Zilbz X88 Pro is small and lightweight. You can easily carry it for travel, vacations, or presentations, turning any screen into a smart entertainment hub. Versatile smart entertainment hub. From movies and streaming apps to casual gaming and presentations, this TV box adapts to multiple needs. It's a flexible solution for modern users who want power, portability, and smart features. Pros: crisp and smooth 4K HD 2.1 visual output. AI-enhanced image clarity for better viewing. Fast and stable Android 14 system. Voice control with Google Assistant. Energy-efficient 6nm processor. Compact, travel-friendly design. Cons: requires a good internet connection for best streaming quality. Advanced features work best with a 4K compatible TV. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a future-ready TV box that combines smart features, powerful performance, and stunning visuals, the Zilbz X88 Pro Android 14 TV box is a solid choice. It's perfect for upgrading any TV into a smart, cinematic entertainment system. A small box that delivers a big entertainment upgrade. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart tech reviews and budget-friendly recommendations.